If you're an industrial user of compressed air, wanting to reduce your overall cost of ownership, great news. Probe is shaking up the industry with the best products from top manufacturers, and that's not just hot air. From DIY domestic use right through to major industrial customers, Probe makes it easier for you to have the best compressors and aftermarket services with rent-to-air lease options and full stock availability across a dealer network. Now, when you think total cost over the lifespan of compressor, only 10% is the cost of the compressor and 90% will be the ongoing running costs. Well, Probe can guarantee to bring down your overall cost of ownership over the lifespan of your compressor. Now, the range includes the new ProbeAir compressors, SCC Screw Compressors, Fini range of piston and screw compressors, as well as the Stanley Fatmax DIY piston range and Stanley accessories. Let's start with Stanley. Now, this top international brand is for the serious hobbyist right through to industrial and professional use. This handy Futura range is great for powering up your pneumatic tools. Now, we know times are tough and businesses often make air compression choices based on that initial cost. This new ProbeAir range of piston air compressors for light duty applications provide high quality and strong performance at a lower price point. These are a great alternative for local businesses because they generate high returns for relatively low investment. They're ideal for builders, handymen and home-based businesses, right through to paint shops, at motor dealerships and even heavy-duty applications. On a recent site visit to a mine in Zimbabwe, in the harshest conditions on a mill, this compressor has been running continuously in 24-hour operations for a year and it's still going strong. At industrial and mining sites, compressed air is a movable and safe source of power. Fini is the largest manufacturer of piston compressors in the world, and it offers industrial compressors ranging in strength from 2.2 to 75 kilowatts. This two-stage compressor has been specially designed for heavy-duty use. They also come in horizontal and vertical shapes, which means that they can be positioned in small or tricky spaces. An important aspect of the Fini compressor is its excellent cooling ability. Generally, compressors are going to need good ventilation because they do generate a lot of heat. In mining environments, tight areas aren't going to give you that. So the Fini's ability to cool the air thanks to large inter and after coolers, well, is simply genius. SCC stands for smart, clever, cost efficient. These compressors have been designed to minimize energy costs without affecting performance. The Smart and Focus 5.5 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt range is ideal for really tough manufacturing applications. In the transportation industry, Probe's SCC air compressor can be extensively used for providing air for tires, drills and pneumatic tools. Probe's goal with the SCC air compressor is to distribute this to the entire automotive industry and into every fitment center right across South Africa. Whatever your operating needs, Probe's air compression products are guaranteed to keep you and your business cool under pressure.